As EV and hybrid vehicles continue to enter repair facilities, having the right diagnostic tools is critical. In this quick 1-minute video, we'll show you how easy it is to access EV and hybrid diagnostics within the TEXA IDC6 car platform. Select the car icon and you will be taken to the main diagnostic screen. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click Special Functions, then select the electric vehicle icon. This will take you to the category page where you will select passenger cars and light trucks. Once you are on the Make page, you can either select the vehicle by manufacturer or click the orange Auto VIN Detect icon to automatically identify the vehicle you are connected to. You will then be presented with general information and safety warnings related to working on electric and hybrid vehicles. This is how you navigate to the EV and hybrid vehicle diagnostic selection within your TEXA IDC6 software. For more information, the latest software updates, or product support and sales, please contact us using the details displayed on the screen.